if you're in a family court proceeding in Ontario and want to bring a motion, let's say for temporary child support before trial, you're going to need to know how to obtain a court date, which forms to use and page restrictions, how to finalize, serve, file, possibly reply. You may also need to draft, serve, and file a factum, confirm the motion, upload to Case Center, know how you're going to attend, and know your responsibilities regarding the issue of court costs. And to do all of that, you're going to need to navigate the family law rules, provincial court notices, regional court notices, possibly even court level notices, regional practice directions, and communicate with Justice Services Online, court email addresses, and Case Center. Heather and I are putting together our most ambitious workshop to date, Navigating the Court System. Join us as we try to make sense of it all.